Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. Americans looking to invest will have a busy week. This week is shaping up to be the most important of the year so far. As investors, we need to pay close attention to the Federal Reserve's announcement of interest rate cuts and the language they use to announce them, as well as the state of the economy. That being said, the guys in this video are keen to discuss that, and more importantly, anything having to do with Ripple and XRP. Just press the like button, drop an X, and share the video. You're good to go. Make sure people all over the globe are aware of the truth behind the digital revolution. We had a great week here last week, folks, going up 11.4% from the previous 7 days, and going over 11%. Here we are at 58 cents for the day. In a moment I will tell you what the technical indicators are saying and where we are searching for resistance levels that we must overcome. However, I had a pleasant little week since Grayscale opened the first official US XRP trust. The opportunity for institutional and accredited investors to obtain direct access to XRP is a big step forward for the future of the cryptocurrency. After the Grayscale announcement, the first official XRP trust was revealed. What happened next? A tremendous pop of 6.5% inside the initial hour. There is a lot of speculation and discussion regarding whether or not XRP will reach $1 with the possibility of an ETF. Brought us one step closer to the ETF. Just a quick reminder, I recorded a video about this just last week. The first major distinction is that of an ETF. According to Eleanor Terra, September is a busy month for hearings on Capitol Hill. The Financial Services GOP has announced one for next week at 10 a.m. Eastern, so be sure to check it out. The trust, on the other hand, does not have to go through the same rigorous approval process as the ETF. In a state of disarray, the SEC's politicized approach to digital assets is being dissected, and witnesses have not been announced. Supposedly, Gary Gensler will also be appearing on Hill at the end of the month, but it is unclear if other SEC commissioners will be invited to testify alongside him or not. Naturally, yesterday we did this, and XRP did have a small upward movement after hearing that Robinhood is now listing XRP. Right now, I'm just seeing it in Europe, but it's a smart step in advancing this digital asset. Currently, financial institutions are ranked according on their derivatives. On top, we have JP Morgan. Financial institutions including Goldman Sachs, Citibank, and Bank of America. The reason I'm revealing this to you is that I think XRP will one day function as a global reserve asset, and I think it's crucial that you all understand this. Is going to handle the settlement of this kind of money. As far as we can tell, XRP will be a part of trillions. If we pay attention to the statements and publications made by the World Bank and the International Monetary Fund on digital assets, as well as those of organizations like the World Economic Forum, we can draw some conclusions. Since Rippling is aware that the Bank of International Settlements is a member of the task force, we examine it. Does it really need to be any clearer? Regrettably, many individuals are growing weary and exhausted from waiting. This opportunity is going to pass them by because it is too huge for them to comprehend. When we examine the likes of these kinds of figures, we can see that they are obviously warning us that this is going to happen, and it becomes more bigger. Indeed, this is transpiring. The decision to skip it has been made. Beyond that, we are aware that XRP is more positioned than any other digital asset globally to facilitate this. Hey there, Dark Defender says now. The weekly RSI chart for XRP showed a fantastic breakout and subsequent retest. The price is going to break 60, I'm sure of it. We must surpass 60 by the end of this week. Within hours, he says, you can go on to the level boss for only 66 cents. We will say ciao and never see him again when the boss is eliminated, he said. I am prepared. Get me ready. This needs to be done immediately. One thing must be understood when one examines the actions, statements, and possible implementation of a 25 or 50 basis point cut by the Federal Reserve this week. The objective for it is to prevent a recession, but they aren't being completely transparent about it just yet. The goal is to ensure a smooth landing. They have the power to activate the money printer, but it has yet to be decided whether we will enter a recession or not. Many people think we are already in one. They have unprecedented market-moving capabilities, and anyone who is pessimistic about interest rate decreases is in for a rude awakening. This market has the potential to unleash trillions of dollars worth of liquidity that has been lying on the sidelines. The market is going to experience some movement. We're still in the early stages of the cryptocurrency market, so there's a long way to go. However, when the stock market moves, the crypto market follows suit, with the only difference being that the crypto market moves much faster. When it comes to cryptocurrencies like XRP, which large fund managers have been keeping an eye on for quite some time, we have a lot of space to maneuver. As a final thought, I'd want to offer my prayers to Donald Trump. Today, there was yet another assassination attempt in this area. They reportedly have the man in custody. He possessed an AK-47. Kamala Harris also expressed her relief that X is safe, as far as I am aware. This is the world in which we are currently residing, you know. Greetings, all. If we want to improve our financial situation, we have very few choices. Just as we're witnessing a suppression of the markets, isn't that right? We are witnessing the top brass taking charge, and now is our chance to cash in on the burgeoning market and achieve financial independence and success. I also think a lot of people will do it with XRP. The viewer's presence here is greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching my channel and for subscribing. I will see you later.